Morning, good morning, YouTube, good morning. It's another day, it's Monday. It's 7:18. It's a little dark out here still. I'm out here at my supply house at where we get our stuff at Mingledorf's here in Georgia. I got, looking at my schedule now, I got 2 maintenance calls, 1 service call, and another maintenance call. So that's what we're gonna do today. Yes, sir.
Been 575 now, heavy spots all the way down to 285 to local lanes from Cartersville and Canton.
Yeah, those washable filters, but I got him another pair of filters anyways. Model number is GME. $51 ohms. Well, we're 9 minutes away from the next call. It's not bad. Let me go ahead and eat this yogurt real quick. Yes, sir. They go crazy when they smell somebody else, huh? Okay, guys, so I actually put this system in. see, April 2023, almost 2 years ago. So we've been doing maintenance on it ever since. This is a tenant that lives here. The owner is the one that we do the deals with. So, and she has a couple dogs. Yeah, let me see if we have this dated. No date on here, but this filter's dirty. We was here back in spring, so could have been March, April, May. So it's been a minute. So let's go get a new filter. So right now our heat pump is running. Just gonna check these strips. Strips are not running. We're just gonna make sure the strips are operating. I heard the strips click in. It's 16 amps. So you don't keep it real hot in here, huh?
I normally do, but I was gone all weekend.
Oh, okay. So this is one of those systems that they put the cage on. I remember having to take the cage off. Well, I was gonna manually put it in defrost mode, but it just went in defrost mode, so you know defrost mode is good. But yeah, guys, this is a little bad because this thing freezes up with any snow or water. Won't let the fan run. Well, defrost is in effect right now, so we're good on defrost. We're good on this maintenance. Let's go ahead, go to our next one. So we actually couldn't get a hold of nobody on the phone, but I wasn't too far out, so this thing got a lock on it.
Give me 1 second.
Okay, no problem. So it turns out I need a ladder. They don't have a staircase. So the igniter is on. Yeah. We'll clean this out real quick. I doubt it's that, but we'll clean it out. Might have a bad valve. Yeah, so that didn't work out. Take a picture of this. Just flip it over later. Yeah, let's hit this thing. Sometimes this thing just like to be hit. It just like to be beat. Sounds messed up, but igniter's coming on. Yeah. It's almost like if it loses voltage or something. We'll go ahead and let them know. Got a new gas valve.